3 questions that your leaders should ask around your current investigation system. The first question is, are we learning what allowed this to happen, or are we learning just what happened? What was it within our system, our culture, our decision making that allowed this exposure to occur? Prior to my life in safety consulting, I was a traditional site level safety manager, 1,000-person heavy industry manufacturing facility. And the reaction when it was heard that someone got hurt was, who touched it last and what did they do wrong? We tend to look at things singularly. We have a singular point of view. We investigate an accident with the hope of preventing that accident from reoccurring. Versus if you look at it from a more systemic point of view, how can we prevent the exposures that allowed that accident to happen? How can we prevent those from allowing other accidents in other parts of the business to reoccur? We should be looking for patterns rather than singular events. AI is a wonderful tool for helping us to discover those patterns. If we inform AI, what are the true patterns that we should be looking for? It's not just what's the high risk task, or what are the missing controls. It's what are the things that amplified or increased that level of risk. That's what we should be using AI for. It's only as good as the input. Case narratives on investigations need a significant uplift. We should also be asking, are we truly reducing exposure, or are we just adding more rules? One of the almost pre-printed corrective actions is rewrite the procedure. Well, hold on a minute. The procedure was ineffective. It didn't allow the person to clearly understand what the safe behaviour was. So what we do is rewrite it. We add another layer of complexity and make it more burdensome for the person closest to the risk to actually understand. We're not getting far enough in the decision network to say, well, actually, it was a network of decisions and risk built up over time. So if we want to nip it at the bud, we need to go as far back as we can in the decision-making process and work on that.